From Southern Maryland's weather leader, this is a JB Weather Alert.
And good afternoon, everyone. I'm Forecaster John Bordash, back with you here right after 5 o'clock to give you another live weather update. We do now have a brand new severe thunderstorm warning in effect for parts of our core coverage area here. For southern parts of Charles County, northern parts of St. Mary's County, it's going to be for this orange shaded polygon here. This is just to the south of La Plata, really moving through the Allen's Fresh, Newburgh area on over towards Pope's Creek, and this warning extends all the way down towards Cobb Island, Chaptico, Bushwood Avenue, the Loveville area, Morganza, Mechanicsville even included in this. And it's for this storm right in here, right near Allen's Fresh, that is intensifying as it continues here to move down towards the south and east. We can see the storm as we kind of zoom in here on our William Richmond Inc. radar. You can see this storm really trying to get its act together right near the Allen's Fresh area. And you can see some of those purples trying to come up here as the storm continues to push towards the south and east. Let me get to the latest warning text on this storm. Again, the National Weather Service has issued the severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Mary's County and central parts of Charles County and southern parts of Charles County until 5:45. This severe thunderstorm that we are monitoring was located over the Port Tobacco River, moving southeast at about 30 miles an hour. The main hazards with this are going to be 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts along with quarter-size hail. Some of the locations that could be impacted by the storm include but are not limited to La Plata, Pope's Creek, the Port Tobacco River, the Wicomico River, Wicomico itself, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Cobb Island, Rock Point, Port Tobacco Village, Bushwood, Clemens, Issue, Tompkinsville, Chaptico, Belle Alton, Swan Point Avenue, Faulkner, and Leadville. All of these areas, again, under this severe thunderstorm warning, which is, I see one quick comment as I look over about the Blue Crab Stadium. This is going to be south of that area here. This is really for southern parts of Charles County right now. And we're seeing this storm really push down here towards the south, and he's really right now coming into the Island's Fresh area, starting to see a little shower move out ahead of this, more of a thunder shower now beginning to move through Chaptico and the Loveville area, and additional areas of rain beginning to pop out ahead of this as well down towards the Leonardtown area. One thing I do want to do is try to see if we can't just bring up one of our traffic cameras from around that area. I want to say I was looking earlier. We should be able to get some good looks here from our 301 bridge. And I'll see if I can't just pull that up here quickly. Yeah, here we go. Let me go ahead and switch us on over here. Here we go. So this is going to be 301. And as we look towards this area, you can begin to see some of the darkening of the skies in this area. So over towards the Newburgh area, you're starting to see the darkening skies. You're beginning to see maybe some rain in here, some thunder off in the distance as the storm continues here to push down towards the south and east. Again, we're going to continue to track this over the next little bit. Let's go ahead and get a storm track on this. Let's zoom out. We're going to take this at about 30 miles an hour here down towards the south and east. So this would be a look at potential impact times here for you over the next hour or so. So we're talking about pushing into the Chaptico area here in about the next 25 minutes. Granted, you're already seeing some decent rain pushing right now, but the main severe thunderstorm has yet to push into your area. We're talking about the Bushwood area in about the same amount of time, by about 5:40, 5:42, down towards the Leonardtown as we approach the 6 o'clock hour. But you're already seeing rain. Again, this is the rain we're seeing in Chaptico and down towards Leonardtown is all out ahead of our main area that we're talking about that's currently moving through it. Fresh area on over towards Pope's Creek, and we're going to be talking about the potential of 60 to potentially even 70-mile-an-hour winds and some quarter-size hail to go along with some of the thunder and lightning we're seeing with this and the heavy rain that this is producing. If we take a look at the storm's history here over about the last hour, let's go ahead and zoom out. Let's get that storm track off of there. And as we put this again over the last hour, you can see this storm trying to get its act together as it was back here towards parts of northern Virginia, and as it's crossed the Potomac here, moving through Nanjemoy, it has now become severe and continues to push towards the south and east. Elsewhere, we've seen some thunderstorms try to pop in parts of our region. Earlier, we saw one decent storm move through the Huntingtown and Sunderland area and on over towards Chesapeake Beach. That's the second thunderstorm you all have seen today, or the third one for some of you. That has not pushed out over parts of the bay. We're seeing additional thunderstorms trying to pop in southern parts of St. Mary's County, and we're seeing some scattered storms on up towards our north again as we continue to watch this cold front move towards the area, which is really right now pushing through parts of northern Maryland and should move through our region here over the next 2 to 3 hours or so. So I would expect here by about 8 o'clock we should begin to calm things down, and that's when our severe thunderstorm watch goes until, again, all these yellow counties here, severe thunderstorm watch for you. That goes in till 8 o'clock this evening. So we will continue to watch this potential, but we don't right now have organized widespread severe weather. We do just have that one severe thunderstorm warning there for southern parts of Charles County and northern parts of St. Mary's County. And we will see how these storms continue to bubble up and how they are able to kind of act and respond to the environment we have in place here over the next few hours. But I think everyone should stay weather aware up until about 8 o'clock. After that point, we should begin to see things calm down. Not that things are active right now, too active at least, but we'll watch that potential kind of calm down. But stay weather aware. I'll continue to be with you here. I'll be in the Storm Center the rest of this evening to continue to watch us and keep you one step ahead of this weather. In the meantime, though, I'm Forecaster John Bordash. Thank you so much for joining me right now, and we'll be talking again later if we have any new warnings get issued for our region.
Check the forecast anytime online at jbweather.net.